How to unlink Bitmoji from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how to unlink Bitmoji from Snapchat. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to unlink your Bitmoji from Snapchat, all you have to do is open the Snapchat app and then come to your Bitmoji profile page over here. Once you come to your profile page, you can see my current Bitmojis over here. So if I want to unlink my Bitmoji, all I have to do is I have to tap on the gear icon from the top right, and then I'll come to the settings page where I would need to just choose the option called Bitmoji over here. So just tap on Bitmoji. Once you come to the Bitmoji page, you can see my current Bitmoji. So if I want to unlink it, I just need to tap on the option called Unlink My Bitmoji from the bottom. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to really unlink it? So just tap on the remove option over here, and as you do that, your Bitmoji avatar will be successfully removed. And you can see we also do not have our Bitmoji avatar in our avatar page as well. And that's all it takes to unlink your Bitmoji from Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.